Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is I have some emergency battery powered lights. So we're going to show you these here. The box came with it slightly opened here, so we're going to try to figure this out here. But here we go. This is what it looks like here. We've got two of these lanterns here. So there's one and two. And then it also came with batteries. The batteries are all just floating around in here. Oh, we'll see if it has 3 batteries in each maybe. Hopefully there's enough for it. So let's see how we do this. Unscrew it here. Yep, it's going to take 3 batteries. So we will put them in. Came with the AA batteries for us, so that's kind of nice. And okay, so there we have one all set up. So this is what it looks like here. It looks like it's going to be a pull. Wow, that is bright. Look at how bright that is. It brightens up my whole face. This is going to be great. This will light up the whole room. So, okay, so it can be like a lantern as such, like this. You could hang it on something up there like this. Another way you can hang it, it looks like here we have a hook. So if you're in a tent or something and you want to hang it up in a tent, you can do that. And it looks like we've got magnets here. I don't know if anything here is metal. Is this metal? Yes, this is metal. So look, it'll hold. Wow, that's rather strong magnets. It's only hooking onto 2 of the 3, and it's staying up there for sure. So look at that. So if it hooks up onto a fridge or something like that, it'll be totally strong. So look at that. How cool of a lantern is this? And then when you want to shut it off, you just push it down and it shuts itself off. You can see right there is the point where it turns on. This is super bright. That's pretty bright for just 3 little AA's. So this is a great little emergency lantern to have around. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to turn off these studio lights, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the dark here. How about that? So, okay, the lights are off there, and the light in the room is off. And look, it's still bright. You can even see the only light really in front of me is from the lantern. The one behind me is the TV. But you can see it lights up pretty good. This whole room here is pretty well lit up. So not as bright as having the light on, but it is good nonetheless. So very cool. So totally great in an emergency. Nice to have these. I'm going to put one of these in probably each of the bathrooms, so I'll know where they're at because I have 2 bathrooms. And it's by GEMEK right there. So how cool is that? Super awesome. Definitely pick up some of these. Thumbs up. Nice to have in an emergency.